InShot video editor for iPhone is a great replacement for CapCut. Here's how to download and install InShot. On an iPhone, go to your app library, type App Store, and open the App Store. Tap the search icon, the little magnifying glass, and type InShot. Once you've typed InShot, go ahead and press Enter, and the app should come up. It's the second app there. You'll either see Get, in which case you have to authenticate to be able to download the app, or you'll see that little cloud icon if you've downloaded it before. I've downloaded it before, so all I have to do is tap on the little cloud icon and InShot will begin to download. Although InShot has some in-app purchases available, a lot of the features are free even in 2026. Once InShot's downloaded, you can tap Open in the App Store or open the app from the home screen. This is what it looks like. The next thing you'll want to do, if you've used InShot before, is restore your in-app purchases. To do that, tap the little Pro icon in the upper right-hand corner on this screen. You'll then see an option that says Restore In-App Purchases. If you see Restore Successfully, your in-app purchases have been restored and you can use the full version of InShot.